Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Yes, friends, what is coming next for you? Charms reading. Many of you requested. Here it is now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Also, friends, 2022 New Year readings have started, so book yours now and beat the last minute rush. You can also buy a love reading for the new year, or just a career reading, or month by month description. So, lots of options available. Book yours now. And also, you can book your personal September or the next 6 months, next 3 months readings, friends. They are super accurate and extremely helpful for the year ahead or for what's coming ahead for you, friends. Yes, this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading, although it is for this week, but it is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, it will still resonate with your situation. And what else? Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Wens Tarot, so you never miss a reading. I also post notifications there, and that's the all the announcement I had to make today. And let's see what's happening astrologically this week, friends. A double full moon is coming up, so oh my god. That's a super important time, on the 22nd there will be a double full moon in Aquarius. Yes, oh my god, super magical, intense. And happy birthday, Libras. The sun will be moving into Libra, and Venus will also be moving into Libra. So love is chatty, love is like full of romance, chattiness, and talk and sharing, expression. Also, Uranus retrograde will be moving into Taurus, so that will also affect us this week. So, this is like a preparatory week for the full moon that's coming up. It's right at the end of this week, the full moon. So, we'll see what will happen with that also, friends. I will be doing separate readings for that also, but let's begin right now. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful rebuild card. Option number two, the beautiful love card. Lovely. Option number three, the beautiful balance card. So friends, relax, take a deep breath and choose option one, option two, option three. I will leave the timestamps like always in the comment section, so you can directly choose from there. You can also choose more than one pile. You can also friends, watch the entire reading if you feel like that. Yes, and it is a charms reading, so I'll be pulling your charms. Here is my bag of charms. So let us see, friends. For those who chose option number one, let us see what's coming next for you. My god, let's see. I'm super excited. This is a great energy. Look at this card. It's glowing, isn't it, friends? Rebuild number 16. And my god, the week is starting from the 15th itself. The 15, 16 is there itself. Wow. Definitely, there is some sort of a heart healing happening, some sort of a major healing is happening in your life, and also some awakening, some sort of a breakthrough is coming for you. These are your oracle messages and advice. We're going to look at them shortly, and then your charms. Let's see your tarot cards first. And okay, all right. So let us see, friends, for those who chose option one. Wow, friends, definitely you are waiting for some opportunity. You are waiting for some sort of a breakthrough. I feel right now you are like, I'm ready for life to expand and things to begin. But when is this adventure coming? When is the new trip coming? When is the opportunity coming? When are the new lovers coming? Where are they? You're definitely seeking something. You're looking for something. You're looking for excitement. You are ready. You are personally ready for something, some change, some positive news, some good start, fresh starts in your life, friends. But I do feel like not, you are still in the phase of waiting, like things haven't yet started for you, but you are ready. You have made up your mind that yes, you are ready for a new start, but you are like, something is making you wait still. I know this. You might be feeling a bit excited as well as bit irritated with this energy, because you are ready, but things are not coming for you. Like opportunities are not opening, new lovers are not coming, or if you want to study, like if you want to go on a trip, it is not happening right now. So you are a little bit frustrated also with that energy, but there is excitement in you, there is a lot of joy. There is also like you are looking forward to the future with excitement. And Aries Leo Sag person is important for you, friends, and Aries Leo Sag person might be important, or you could be yourself Aries Leo Sag. Five of Wands, yeah, this week you will have some sort of a confusion between your mind and heart. Your heart is telling you to go one way, your mind is telling you to not wait, just go for it, while your heart is telling you like you can wait a little bit more for things to come, for things to happen. And your mind is like, nope, nope, no waiting, no waiting, I want to thrash the door and go and grab the opportunities. If opportunities don't come, I will create them. So oh my god, there is competition, friends, around you this week, and you are also competing with yourself. You are like, why can't I work? Why can't I do this? Why can't I do that? I want to jump and fly. You all feel like Peter Pans, you all want to be Peter Pans this week, in the sense that you want freedom, you want to fly, and you never want to grow up, but your heart is telling you to like just be a little careful. And that is what is causing you the irritation this week. Like, why is my heart telling me to slow down? I want to fly. Why do I need to slow down? What are we waiting for? Why can't we just jump into the car and go for a ride? Well, I feel your heart is telling you the right thing. There are something better things coming for you, so it is good, it is wise and prudent to wait for things right now, friends. I don't think so it is a good thing to jump right now into everything. Yes, Four of Cups, this is a week you should take some time to relax and to sit at home and enjoy a movie. This is definitely that kind of a week, friends, when you should take some rest and enjoy a good movie. Watch some good shows, your favorite movies, your favorite sitcoms. Also take some time to meet your friends, be with your family. I do feel some of you may have to visit your family or stay with them because they are ill or they are sick, or because they are just feeling a bit lonely, so they need your company. I do see that. Yes, some of you may be actually visiting your relatives, or your relatives or friends are visiting you, or you may actually call over your friends to for a stay over, night over. So this is a kind of a week where the things are a bit slow, but you want to make things fast. You are like, oh my god, I want to make things fast. But I think there is a reason, friends, why things are little slow, because you are healing, you are getting ready for the next week, because next week is much bigger and intense than this week, friends. And it starts on the at the end of this week itself, on the 22nd. So don't worry, something big is coming, friends. So if this week you are asked to rest and relax, it is perfectly fine. Don't be too hard on yourself. And I I do feel, friends, that some of you really want to be achievers at your work. You want to overachieve, you want to be extremely successful at your work and career. Some of you actually want to take charge in your career. Some of you may actually plan to leave your job and start something new, or you may have already done so, but still things might be slow there, because that's the energy you need to. Four is the number of slowness, four is the number of security, four is the number of a tree. That's what I wanted to say, a tree that has deep roots. So this is you are working on long term gains, friends. You are working on long term future. So it is prudent to wait, it is prudent to take your time and not hurry things in this week. You're very ambitious when it comes to your work, when it comes to your career. Even if you are a student, you are extremely ambitious. And some of you may actually feel a bit jealous Because if you see somebody else's life is going places and you can't travel because of the world situation, or things opportunities are not coming, you will feel a bit jealous. You're like, why is this happening with me? Things always Bad things always happen with me. You're like that, but it's nothing like that, friends. It is just that something better is coming for you, and it's on its way, and it will reveal itself by the next week or in the coming month. So be patient. Also, yes, this week you must take charge of your mind, because your mind and your ego is like go go go, and your heart is like no no no. So you will have to find a balance between your heart and your mind. And yes, you are extremely powerful at your work. You're very very ambitious, you're very adventurous also. And I also feel like some of you will be like, I want to invest more money, and your heart is like no no no, don't invest, not a good time, you will lose money. And your mind is like, nope, I will invest more money, I will buy that thing, I need it. Oh, friends, it is a tug of war going on inside you. So take some time, relax, and enjoy it, because you are your competition this week. No one else is the competition. You are the competition with yourself. And yes, this week will be a very, very busy week for you. Eight of Wands. A lot of communications are coming. A lot of ideas will be coming to you. A lot of messages. Also, you will be, if you are looking for a job, you will be sending a lot of emails. A lot of people will be reaching out like, hey, there is a job opportunity. They are calling you for interviews. You might be giving an interview also this week, or some exams, and you will get success in those interviews or exams. I also feel that you are over active this week, friends. You are over ambitious, overactive. There is a lot of fire in you. You are adventurous, and so this is that kind of a week when you decide that you will hit the gym and do 100 sit-ups, and exactly then something happens and you sit at home and just skip the whole gym session, and you are like, what happened? So this is a week of sudden breakthroughs. You chose the tower. Remember, you chose the tower. So sudden breakthroughs. A change of plan may happen this week, friends. You may want to go east, but life may take you west. You may want to go west. Life may take you north. You may want to go ahead, but life may say, hey, slow down. So, but this week there is a lot of good things coming. What are the good things? Your mind will be very sharp, your intelligence will be very sharp, new ideas, creative ideas, lucrative ideas will be coming. So, make a note of that. Another thing, you will be very ambitious and adventurous at your work and career. So, you will be taking certain risks which you would not take in the past. And also, these risks will pay off more or less for you in this week. So yes, it is a great week for you. But when it comes to love, you are not feeling very social, friends. I don't know why, but in love life you are a bit confused. Should you date people, or should you meet this person from the past or not? You are a little confused. I do see that you are not in a very social mood this week, friends. You want to stay alone, you want to watch a movie, sit with yourself or with close friends, and not share too much of yourself with anybody, because you feel like people are competing with you. There is competition, and you can sense it, because you are very intelligent, you are very intuitive this week, friends. So if there is competition in love, you will sense it. If there is jealousy or envy, you will feel it. So you're very very sharp and intelligent this week. I also feel an Aries, Leo, Sag person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or a Virgo, Taurus person is coming towards you. They will message you. They are waiting for the right time to message you this week, but I don't see you replying their messages. No. 3, the star. Yes, friends, you are definitely focused on yourself. You are very much focused on your career, on your health, on your creativity. Also, some of you will be taking care of your looks and hair and skin a lot. And some of you will also be working on gardens, or planting your own vegetables. You are having new ideas. You are full of ideas this week. I also feel that some of you will be, some of you are going to find more friendships rather than love this week, because you're not even interested in love. It is like love is, you don't feel comfortable when it comes to love. You feel somebody is cheating on you, or they already have somebody else in their life, or you feel that they might have somebody else, you have a hunch like that. You feel like there is competition in love, but when it comes to friendships, you feel they are good. You may start a collaboration this week, friends, like you may start a new hobby with some friend, or you may join a workshop, like a dance workshop, or some sort of a painting workshop, or maybe farming or flower workshops or embroidery. I don't know what is creative for you, but you might join something like that and you will thoroughly enjoy it. Three of Pentacles. Yes, friends. This week, definitely there is a good energy around you, friends. I do see that some of you may be having a birthday, so a surprise birthday party is being planned for you at your work or in your family. Yoo-hoo! I also feel that yes, you will find more support at your work and through your friendships and family. There is a lot of support, there is a lot of love there, a celebratory vibe is there, and you will focus more on enjoying your life rather than worrying about what is right, what is wrong, what is working, what is not working. So this is a week where you are very powerful, friends. You are really powerful, and there is a lot of support around you, a lot of help. I do see that some of you might start working on cake shops, or learning how to cook or something. You are baking a cake for yourself, or somebody is baking a cake for you. So there is a lot of fun energy, a lot of happiness, a lot of positivity. And the Ten of Swords, yeah, I do feel somebody from the past is really missing you, friends. This person could be an ex-husband, wife, a twin flame, a person who is in no contact with you. They might have ghosted you, blocked you. This person is really missing you, friends, in love, and they will try to reach out to you because of your birthdays or because of some special occasions. They want to wish you, but I don't think so. I don't think so. You want to talk to them. It feels like you are done with this person. You are like, nah, I would rather spend my time with my family, with my friends, rather than with this person who is a little egoistic. I also feel, friends, if you are single, you might get a proposal from somebody you study or work with. So if you are really, really single, you have nobody in the past, there is somebody from work who really likes you, and they will approach you this week, friends, with offer of love or friendship, or some you might get a joint project with them. Like you want to, you like, hey, listen to this song, I also like it, you do like it, what are your favorite songs? Some kind of joint thing is there. What will happen more in this week for our viewers? File number 1. I feel your focus is more on yourself, your career, and enjoying this week rather than on the love life, friends. Bouquet? Yes, friends, I do see some good news coming your way, some celebrations coming your way, and also some gifts coming your way. So it could be your birthday, or somebody in the family has a birthday. So, yes. And also, you're very connected with flowers this week, friends. Flowers, Mother Earth, all those things. The house, number 4. So yeah, I also feel that some of you could also be spending more time at a house, like your house, your grandparents' house, or you are visiting a friend, or somebody could be visiting you. I also feel that some of you may actually finalize a deal of buying a home or something, or you may find the dream home, or like, oh, this is what I want to do in my future, this is my home, this is my hobby, this is the thing I want to do. Okay, we got the heart card. Beautiful. So this week you are focused on self-love and taking care of your health, your heart, and your career. You're definitely very much focused on your hobbies, on your future. Number 24, number 4, and 9 are important. So those are important numbers. We'll see with the charms also. Yeah, number 2. So, wow, this is a very receptive week for you, friends. You are feeling, this is a very highly sensitive week also. You are feeling more in your feminine energy, where you feel more ready to start something new. Also, your heart is full of love this week, friends. So you don't want to be at a place where there is competition or jealousy or people who do not understand you, because those people can easily hurt you, friends. So you are very, very sensitive this week. So Take care of your heart, and spend time with people who are close to you, who are close to your family. Spend time with people you already know. And I do feel you might spend time alone only with yourself. Higher power, yes, destiny is in charge. What you are waiting for, friends, is definitely going to happen. Yes, it is already happening for you, but it will happen more profoundly for you in the coming week. So destiny is working with you, friends. You are not alone. You are extremely lucky also. Let us see what else. The thinking man, number 46. I do feel there is a person who is obsessed about you, friends, and you had a very bad ending with this person, or they had upset you in some way, angered you in some way. This person still likes you, they still are very fond of you. They could be a colleague, they could be somebody you work with or study with. They could be your neighbor also, because we did had the house card, remember? They could be your neighbor. I do feel this person wants to send you some gift. They want to express their heart and emotions, but they are a little scared. They also feel like they need a little bit of time to come across and share their feelings. Oh my god, the woman holding a heart, number 44. Oh my god, friends. Yes, I do feel, friends, that you are all heart, friends, this week. You are full of love, you are full of heart energy, you are healing, you are recovering, and you are glowing, you are shining, and you are taking care of yourself. And do not be sorry about it at all. This is exactly the thing we are all supposed to do right now energetically. So you are doing a great job, and all this self love is is attracting a lot of attention towards you. So, a lot of love is coming towards you, friends. A beautiful, loving connection is coming for you, yes. I do feel that some of you may actually get a marriage proposal, but you may be not sure about this person, because the number 44 is important, number 33, number 44 is important. There might be an age gap in the marriage proposal, or with this person and you, there is an age gap or cultural difference, and you are unsure about whether you should say yes to them or no to them. But my friends, this love is true. There is love. There is true love in it. And look at this. There is somebody who loves you, and they want to share that with you. Let us see what is the things you need to keep in mind this week. Wonders, yes, the universe is full of wonders. The universe is never, the universe is full of strange things, friends. And have you seen that Stranger Things? Yeah, it's a good show, isn't it, friends? I haven't seen it completely, like all of the episodes, but yeah, I have seen some of it. Yeah, it's interesting. So life is magical, friends. There can be more opportunities coming for you, so keep an open mind and look at that. Focus, yes, you need to focus, friends, because your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying one thing, and you must listen to your heart, because your heart is connected to your intuition. So listen to your heart, and try and focus on your life, and let's see your advice, and then we're gonna hear your charms. Simplify your life, yes, exactly. Because your mind is racing, there is too much on your mind. You are busy at your work, and you are busy in your love life also. Also, there is like, in your love life you're a little confused what to do, what not to do. In your future, about your future also, you want to take a lot of, you have a lot of dreams. You want to achieve everything in all at one go, and that's not possible, friends, to achieve everything at once. So relax, relax. Take your time, simplify your life, eliminate clutter from your home and work life to balance the flow of activities. Yes, I think this is very necessary. It is very necessary for you, friends, to relax this week and not worry about the rat race. It is very important. Otherwise, you have chosen the tower card, friends. So be careful. Something sudden, unexpected may happen. If you hurry too much, you may sprain your ankle. I'm sorry I have to tell you this, because it's a very clear message. Relax, calm down, enjoy your life, because you're already very fast. You're already, things are very fast around you. I can feel it. I don't know if you can feel it or not. Things are fast around you, and you should take some time to relax. So let's see your charms now. number one. What is going to happen for them? Ooh, something just hurt my hand. See? That's exactly what I was telling you. Like, if you hurry too much, this will happen. You know? Certain things which are, option number one, what will happen? Option number one. So these are the things which will happen if you keep hurrying, hurt, pain. Suddenly something will surprise you out of the blue also, so be careful. Let's separate the charms a bit and then we're gonna look at them. Lots of charms you have got. Can you see them? I hope you can. Ooh. I see M with a rose in it. Wow, so somebody's name with M, me, move. Oh wow, some move is important. M could be a name and rose is important. And here is number 26. It is with the letter D. Dove. Wow, dove is about forgiveness. Doves are forgiveness. Let us see now, friends. Whew, it's a very hot day here today. How are you all feeling? So, it was recently told that July was the hottest month in the history of humanity. Can you believe that? It sure was hot. Whew, it still is hot. I don't know what's wrong with the weather. Some days it's extremely hot, some days it rains like crazy. Only God can help us now, seriously. All right. So, somebody named M with M is important, really important. Like their name could be Madhuri, Maddie. So let's see what else. So move is here. So some of you could be planning to move, relocate, change a job, change a city. Some of you are also, there is some thread here. Let me just separate it. Is this, I don't know what is this. I have no idea what it is. Alright, so there is also Dove, forgiveness is important, and there is also Dev, there is also Ved. Those are the words and names. So DEVMO are the initials for you, they are important for you. Number 26 is important, number 31 is important, number 20 is important. Number 5 is important. 5 could be a month also, or number 5 could be a life path for you, friends, or 5 could be like in the next 5 days, next 5 months, you will have the change you are looking for. The Wheel of Fortune. So, friends, you are extremely lucky and things are moving forward in the right direction for you. So, have some patience. And the Divine Heart, the Rose Heart is Twin Flame Love. Yes, love is coming your way. Divine love, true love is coming your way. And the Bow, yes, take care of yourself. Some of you could be spending time with the children. Or there may be a childbirth in the family, or your friends are having a baby. You might go on a baby shower, or you may plan a baby shower for somebody, or you may start planning your own babies. That is also their magical time. Snowflakes, magical wishes coming true. Snowflakes are also, you feeling a lot dreamy. This is a dreamy week for you. You are like, oh, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that, You have a lot on your dream list, bucket list. Your bucket list is full this week. Apple, taking care of your health. This is a week you should eat proper, sleep proper, taking care of your health. The moon bead, yes, your emotions are a bit high, a bit low. That is why you need to rest a little, friends. Otherwise, this is an intense week, but in a good kind of a way. The weed, yes, friends, I do see that you and a person are very much telepathically connected. There is somebody who has an intense attraction with you, a lustful connection with you, and that person is thinking about you. You might also think about this person. It could be a new person or somebody from the past. The yellow car, stay positive, don't let your... Also balance your life, balance the head and heart. Dolphins, yes, stay positive, keep playing. May is important. And interestingly, we have number 5. The 5th of May is important, or the month of May itself is important for you, friends. X, oh my god, somebody is coming, friends. An ex person is important for you this week, and I know you don't want to hear their name. Five of Cups, yes, this person is missing you. They are disappointed with you and they want you back. Tiger, but you are a tiger, friends. You are very ferocious. I don't see you saying yes to them or even talking to them. Karmic, yeah. I do feel this person could be married, your ex could be married, or they may be with somebody else, and this makes you very upset with them, angry also with them. But yeah, seer, but I think you should see this situation as a spiritually rather than hating that person or being angry. Try to see spiritually and try to act in a way like focus on your future, focus on your self love. Queen of Cups, yes, you are the queen, you are the king, friends, of your life. So remember that, don't forget that. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. And look at that crush energy. Someone is majorly crushing on you, friends, and I hope you say yes to the crush, friends, at least. And yes, there is a person who's saying that, hello, I'm a bad idea. Yes, you agree with that, isn't it? And there is also somebody who really likes you, friend. It could be a crush, it could be somebody who is working with you, or who is your colleague, or who is your friend, or a neighbor, a friendly neighbor. They really like you and love you, so you say yes to them. And bye bye to the toxic ex, friends. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading, friends. I'll be pulling your charms also shortly. So first, let's see your cards. If you chose this beautiful love card, what a yummy card it is, friends. It's totally beautiful, and this week is filled with love, joy, happiness, and growth, financial growth for you. Yes, friends, I do see financial growth, money coming your way. So congratulations, yoo-hoo. And these are your oracle and advice, and we're gonna look at them shortly. And then your bag of charms, yes. So let's see what is happening right now, friends. Oh wow, so definitely, friends, you are focusing on moving forward in your life. You are focusing on taking charge of your life, moving forward. Some of you are also traveling this week, or you are traveling right now when you are watching this reading. And I definitely feel that some of you are making plans of a trip, or you are thinking about traveling right now. Also, this week you're definitely, right now also, friends, I do see there are some challenges in your life, but you are handling them very well. So congratulations, well done. I do see that, not everything is perfect in your life. There are some issues, there are some challenges, some worries, but you are handling the storm, you are handling the sea very beautifully, friends, and you are navigating through it wonderfully. You are doing a great job, friends. Honestly, you are doing a great job in managing your life and taking charge of your situation. So well done. And yes, I do feel some of you could be traveling this week, or some of you already are traveling, or there is a plan, you are planning a holiday, or you are aching for holiday. Like in your mind, you are holidaying in Hawaii. You are like Hakuna Matata, or you are like, I keep getting some song, Maria Maria. Ricky Martin, Brazil. So you're like, ooh, I'm in a party mood. So yes, some of you are definitely in a mood for party. It could be happening in your head, or it could be happening in real life for you, a travel, a vacation, a trip. Definitely your life is moving forward, friends, and that's the beautiful thing. So let's see what else is happening for you. Wow, this is a busy week for you, friends. You are definitely very busy planning your life, taking charge of your life. You are acing at your work. You are taking charge of your work situation. Also, some of you are having more work. You are very busy at your work, but at the same time, you will also be having more money coming your way. So, if you are a business person, yes, more clients are coming. You will be very busy. It's a busy week for you, but at the same time, your money is coming in, friends. So, yes, I also feel, friends, this week you are all about perfection. You want perfection. You like perfection this week. So, you are definitely taking your time, to learn something, to get perfect at your work, and you will really enjoy your work and career. Even if you are a student, you will really enjoy your studies, and you will give your best at it. So this is a wonderful week, friends. Absolutely fantastic when it comes to your career, your studies, or your hobbies. You're gonna give it your all, give it your best, and you're really hardworking, friends. And not just that, money is coming your way. Yes, money, money, money. I know you all want money, and I know you may be having some financial worries, so that's why money is important. Yes, money is coming your way, friends. I also feel, friends, you could be getting some award or some sort of a delayed award. Like you were supposed to get this award or this reward or promotion way back, like 6 months back. But now this week there is a chance you will actually achieve this promotion or this award or this like the best employee award, or some social media award you may achieve, or recognition you will achieve. So there is a lot of limelight and focus and praise and appraisal on you, friends. So well done. Let's see what else. The King of Wands. Oh my God, you are super passionate when it comes to your work, friends. You are super passionate when it comes to your life and your goals. Yes, you are very, very ambitious, friends, and you're very positive also. You have a positive attitude this week, and this is a great blessing for you, friends, because you feel like, life is good. You're like, you will feel like, whatever you do, you will feel sexy about it. You will feel very naughty about it. You will feel like, feeling hot, hot, hot. You have heard that song. It's a very, very old song, feeling hot, hot, hot. So you're like, yeah, I'm going places, I'm doing you're proud of yourself, and that's a wonderful energy to have, because Pile One surely was missing out on that energy. They were being hard on themselves. You are like, I love myself, I'm proud of it. It's a good energy, friends. I'm super, super happy for you. And also, you could be actually doing well at your work also. So there is more support from your seniors at work, or if you are a senior, you're very happy with your team, you're very happy with people around you. Also, family is very happy with you. So there is like support and recognition from authority, from people in charge, and you are a great leader this week, friends. So well done. Your leadership skills are excellent. And I do feel an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important for you, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important this week. And some of you could be in twin flame relationships, and your divine masculine or feminine is really working hard on themselves to be with you, friends. Yes, that energy is coming in. Let us see what else. The Two of Swords. Yeah, but I feel when it comes to love, you are a little unsure. You may be having two partners this week, or two choices in love. Or the choice in love is like to say yes to this person or no to them. There is some choice involved in love this week, and you are not sure which way to go about it. I do feel like, you do know the answer, you do know the answer, like what you need to do. But I do feel it could be like you have two people in mind and love, like you have a young new person and a past person, or there is a twin flame and there is another person. Or you could be like, should I say yes to my twin flame or completely forget them and move on? There is some confusion when it comes to your love life. But I think even though you are confused, you actually know the answer deep down inside. So listen to your intuition. Love, there is harmony. You guys are soulmates. You are each other's better half. Yes, the Fool. Yes, a new start is coming for some of you in your love life. I do see a message, a letter coming for you. I also feel some of you could be getting an opportunity to work abroad or start work with some new company, some new project. Or some of you could be getting a message from your lover, and it could lead to a new start, a reunion in this relationship. So yes, there is there. But you are a little confused about this love, this new start in love. You are not sure, because this is like the moon. You are like, okay, yeah, let's do it, but yeah, yeah. You're like, I'm saying yes, but I'm not really sure about it. So you're not very sure about your love life or the person you are saying yes to. So you are a little confused when it comes to your love life, but I do feel there is still positivity in your love life. There is still excitement in your love life. There is messages, news. And if you are single, a new relationship is definitely on its way. And this person is a leader, someone very attractive, someone very physical, someone very sassy. And this person could be somebody you work with or somebody from social media. They could be an entrepreneur. They could be somebody who is quite famous. And so this person definitely wants a start with you, or you might start being, dating, or start being in a relationship with this person. So there is excitement and love. There is but you are like, let's see where it goes. I want to take a risk. Let's see how it goes. And yes, Five of Cups, there is somebody from the past also who is crying for you, friends. I told you this. I feel two energies for you, friends. There is a new person there, and also somebody from the past. Maybe you are waiting for the past person and you are like, why this person has not messaged me? Why the new person keeps messaging me, but the old person doesn't message me? What's wrong with him? What's wrong with her? So you are missing somebody from the past, your twin flame, your ex-husband, wife, or your soulmate from the past. You're missing them. They are also missing you, but I feel the new start is, or the connect communications are opening with somebody new. That's for sure. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, this person has definitely hurted you, friends. This person has left you out in the cold, and this person from the past, they have ghosted you, they have blocked you, they have left you out in the cold. They know you are hurting, they did that behavior, they still repeat that behavior, which will cause you hurt and pain. So you both are suffering. Yes, the pain is similar on both sides. Your person is suffering too. They are missing and crying for you, but I see a renewal happening with somebody new rather than with the past person. So it is up to you. It is up to you. You may not choose the past person, or you may not choose the new person, but I do see that this new person and you will have a better chance together, rather than your past person is still crying on you. They are looking at you, they are looking at your pictures, they are sobbing, they are crying, but they are not making a move. And look at that, the Five of Swords. Yes, there is a lot of competition. I do feel the full moon is very intense for you, friends. It will affect your relationships also. It will bring out some communication blocks in your relationships. So your person, even though your past person may come back, there might be a chance of an argument happening, or a misunderstanding happening with a family member or with a past lover, because this person is actually scared of losing you. They are scared of losing you, and they know you have options, so they are scared of losing you, and that's the reason they are fighting or arguing with you. But I feel like you will definitely be choosing the new person, rather, or the somebody, you will choose a friend rather than a lover this week, because you want security, you want stability, you want somebody you can trust, not someone who goes behind your back and blocks you, or someone who gossips about you. I do feel this person, your person, is talking with their friends. They are asking how you are doing, what is happening in your life. So there is like gossip happening in your love life. Let's see what else is happening for you this week. And look at that, five, five, five. It's all five for you, a big change. This person could be having a life path number five, or you could be having a life path number five. Snake, transformation. Yeah, there are some people who are not right for you. Oh my god, look how that card just jumped. It's like somebody wants to play hard to get. Somebody is trying to play like, oh, I'm so busy. They want you, but they don't want you. So, mixed signals. They are playing hard to get. And there is a transformation. You must wait for that person to change and get better for you. The book. I do feel, friends, some answers are coming your way. The answers you are seeking, they will be coming your way. So don't lose hope. This person will message you, or they will write. This past person will share a message indirectly for you on their social media. I do feel they want you back, but it's like they are saying it in a very strange kind of a way. Like they are fighting and arguing with you rather than saying, hey, I want you back. Beer, number 15, yeah. This relationship has become very comfortable to you, friends. That's why you want to be with this person. This person and this relationship has become very easy for you, very comfortable. That is why something new feels very strange for you. Also, if you are single and somebody asks you out this week, you will have some tough time saying yes, because you are very comfortable being single. You are like, oh my god, again somebody asking me out, oh no. And yes, ring, marriage. Yes, marriage is on the cards, friends. And some of you are definitely, the question is about marriage, settling down. You are asking this person to settle down with you. They are not saying yes. So that is the problem. And such things are definitely, you want to settle down, you want commitment. And I do see there might be another person offering you commitment and love also. So let us see what else. To the sea, number 7. Yeah, you are definitely missing somebody. It could be a past lover. It could be some pet you have missed. It could also be some opportunities, like you are missing your childhood. You are missing, somebody from your childhood, your grandparents, or some old house. Like, oh my god, that time was so beautiful. Why can't we go back to that time? The tribe. Yes, you are going to find people who resonate with you, who are your soulmates, who are your soul friends. So do not feel lonely. I know you are feeling a bit lonely when it comes to love, but there are people who understand you, friends. So say yes to them and no to the other people. Patience, number 16. Yes, life is divine timing is definitely at work in your life. So whatever you're trying to achieve, like this marriage, it will happen for you. Just give it some time, friends. And the confusions you are going about your love life, they will resolve. Those confusions will end. It is just a matter of timing. It is like, maybe this person, something else needs to happen for you to gain clarity, and it will happen in the coming days. So rest assured. Anxiety, my god, some of you could actually be having anxiety this week, because you are thinking too much about your love life. You are like stressed. At your work and career, no stress, but in your love life, all stress. So relax, take a deep breath, and don't worry so much. And also, you could be dealing with somebody who is your lover, your husband, wife, your past person could be suffering from anxiety or health issues, and that's the reason they are not communicating with you. That could also be happening. So let us see what you need to focus on this week. Relaxation, yeah, taking it easy, friends. Don't try to force anything, and say yes to new things, and also keep an open mind. Don't try to force anything in your love life. If something is not working out, let it be for now. Happiness, yes, you need to focus on happiness. You need to focus on what's actually working out for you, friends, and say hooray to that. Instead of waiting for somebody else to make you happy, go ahead and say, yes, I'm gonna make myself happy. So yeah, let's see the advice for you and then your chance. Oh, have faith. So your dreams are definitely coming true. Your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. So yeah, that's have faith, friends. Don't lose hope. Things will get better for you. In fact, they are already getting better, and I do see you having a trip or planning a vacation, and you're gonna really enjoy it. I also feel maybe some of you want to go abroad or travel abroad or settle down abroad. It will happen, friends. Have faith. Have faith. Option number 2. What's coming next for option number 2? All right. See, I saw the aeroplane. That exactly was the message I was getting. See, even I don't lose faith. Every time I put my nail paint on, it has to get smudged one way or the other, no matter how careful I stay. But I don't lose hope. I'm like, yeah, someday it will, someday you'll be fine. Don't worry. I enjoy it. I like when it gets smudged nowadays. I'm like, okay. Oh, number 1 in S. So somebody named with S is important for you. Nah, and it won't come out, friends. Let us just try and see if it will. There we go. Letter S is important. I'm hungry. My stomach is grumbling. My God. Channeling makes one hungry. You know that, friends? It's really... It's really, it looks easy, but it's not. It takes a lot of energy. Takes a lot of our, intuition, our mind, body, soul. Oh, wow, soya. Soya. So somebody, soya could be, I don't know. It could be a name for somebody, Sonia or Sanya, or I don't know. Soya milk might be important for some of you. So yeah, the initials are S, O, and Y, and the numbers are number 20 and number 1. Those are important for you. And what else? You have the charm, the spectacles. Yes, I do feel someone is watching you, friends, or you are watching somebody and keeping an eye on them, like you are crushing on somebody. I also feel somebody is crushing on you, friends, and they really want you, like they love you. They love the way you look and feel. Aeroplane, yes, traveling, holiday, shift, movement, all those things are important. Also, some of you could be getting a message from long distance about work or love. So, long distance is important for you. Feather, yes, communications are coming, friends. Someone will write a text to you, an important message to you, or some news you are waiting for, that is coming. And the turtle, yes, friends, your week is a very study week. It is neither too fast, it is neither too slow. So it is a fun week for you. And the pink bead, it is about, love, taking care of yourself, feeling very sexy, feeling very sassy, like this queen or the king of wands. So you're really in love with yourself this week. The flower, yes, I do see that. This flower is like seeing things in a positive way, innocence. This flower reminds me of innocence. The white bead is about peace. Forgive your past, focus on the present. Time, yes, time is very important for you this week. Some things, you might be like you are running out of time. No, you are not. There is ample of time. Oh my god, X's are very important. There is no Mercury retrograde, but still X's are important this week. This is the second pile having the X card. So somebody from the past is important. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Art, yes, an artist could be important. You could be an artist yourself. You could be focusing on art also this week, music, craft, past life, yes. You do share a past life connection with somebody, friends, and it is in trends. Dreams, yes, you could be dreaming about this person or meeting them through dreams. Lion, you are very, very strong, friends. Believe in your power. The black horse, yes, you are very protected, friends. You don't need to worry that will you run out of times, will your wishes won't come true. No, you are protected. Your prayers are being answered. And look at that, you are very stylish this week. People will ask you style tips or some tips from you. So yes, you are very stylish. And it's a great week for you, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you chose option number 3, let us see what is coming next for you for this week. This is a charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. And if you chose option number 3, the balance card, wow. I feel this week is very important for you, friends. And also, this is a week where, your heart is opening, something is awakening in your life. There are new breakthroughs, there is a new spiritual awakening and enlightenment happening, or some sort of a balance returning back into your life, something that was missing from a very long time. So good week, I see that. And these are your messages, oracle messages and advice. We're going to look at them shortly. Let's see your tarot and then your charms also. All right, so what you are feeling currently, friends? Okay, friends, currently you are being very, very busy, friends. You may feel like life is out of balance in some way. Exactly, that's why the reason you chose this balance card, because you are very busy. You're working very, very hard at your work. There is endless work, there is endless responsibilities and pressures on you. And also I see that somewhere you are a little unhappy, why you have to work so hard, why you have to earn so much, or why you have to just keep on slogging all day all night. Even if you are a student, you may be feeling like, my god, you have a lot of work. You are definitely slogging. Some of you could be handling two jobs, or you are very busy managing home and family as well as your work and career. So, this is whew, you're busy and you are tired of it, friends. Absolutely. You are like, how long will I be able to balance it all? How long will I have to manage it? I do see you are taking care of other people's responsibilities, maybe your parents, your father, mother's responsibilities, or you are taking your in-laws responsibilities or someone's finances, financial responsibilities you are taking on, like your children, or you are a little frustrated that you have to look after other people's job right now, and this is making you feel little unhappy, and you are cribbing about it. You're busy, friends. This week, not just this week, right now, also, you're very busy. You're tensed, also, and there is a lot of pressure on you, work pressure, home pressure, or some sort of a pressure cooker situation is definitely there in your life. And I feel sorry for that, friends. I really can understand because my life is exactly the same. There is always so much to do and so much little time. I want to do so many readings for you, but there is like always I'm running short of time, and with personal orders, with home, with family, everything is there. Oh my god, and I'm like, some days I want to do more readings, but there is no time. So, I know how it feels. I completely understand. And all right. So, the thing is, friends, this week you should not give up, friends. I know this is tough. Managing everything is tough, but you should not give up. Yes, you should keep at it. Some of you may actually get more busy this week, and it may frustrate you a little. It may make you angry and upset, but please do not give up on your dreams, on your goals. Also, some of you may have to work harder in your career this week to win approval or appraisals. Some of you, if you are looking for a job, you will have to convince people a little this week, because people are a little hard on you now. Like, they are like, okay, prove us, you have been out of work, will you be able to achieve it, this and that. But I think the only thing they are asking is like, yes, can you do it? So yes, put on your best feet forward and don't give up. Don't give up, friends. Yes, this is the week where you can achieve anything you set your mind to, and you can rise above these pressures, these expectations, and you will be a winner. Definitely. So, if you're trying to quit something, this is not the time. Unless it's a bad habit. Yes, you can quit it. You will actually come out of it. If it's a bad habit you are trying to quit, like, overeating or cutting down on sugar or something like that, yes, it's a good thing and you will win. Yes, you will win on that. But otherwise, at your work there is a little pressure, friends. There is too much expectations, and even in family I see there is a little bit of expectation. In your studies, competition, so you have to prove yourself. Yes, but don't give up. You are doing a great job. You are really doing a great job. And the page of swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. I do see that for some of you, information or help will come from social media or online. So some of you could be working online, and also it's like 50-50. Half of the work is from home or from your office, and half of it is online. So you're like, oh, what is going on? So, but I do see help is coming for you, friends. Help and support is coming, and it could be in the form of online friend helping you out, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or it could be an information coming that you need. It could be an opportunity coming your way that will help you out. I also see some of you could be getting a leave granted that you were asking for. It could be a sick leave, but finally you are getting it, and congratulations, you deserve it. Also, friends, keep your communications very, very clear, because the Venus in Libra will actually support you. You guys could be actually Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So, this is a very profound week for you, because the Sun is in Libra and there is a full moon in Aquarius, and Venus is in Libra too. So, lots of air energy. So, you're going to feel completely at ease with this energy of air, and this energy of extra support around you, extra clarity around you. So do not give up, friends, on your dreams, on your goals right now. This week, stick with your goals, stick with your plans, stick with what you want to give up on. If you think it is impossible, go ahead and do it, because you will show the world how it is done. So this is a week of daringness. This is a week to put yourself out and show the world who you really are. This is not a week to hide. This is not a week where people tell you what to do. Yes, they will tell you, but you show them who is the boss. So this is a, you are very, this week you have a very neat balance, friends, between power as well as taking charge as well as following orders. So you are balanced. You are very, very balanced. Look at that. Let us see what else. The Hermit. Yeah, a Capricorn Virgo Gemini, Capricorn Virgo Taurus person is important for you. I don't know why I said a Gemini. Maybe a Gemini is important. You are a Gemini probably. I also feel like, some you are looking for some solution which you are not able to find, friends. Like you are looking for a solution of your problems, or you are looking for some sort of a breakthrough in love or your work life. It will appear, friends. It will happen for you. Do not worry. Balance will come in your work, career, and love life. So do not worry. Just don't give up. Okay, keep going. Keep doing what you are doing. I also feel there is a person who is in isolation, who is not talking to you. They are in no contact with you. A Capricorn Virgo Taurus person. They are searching for you. They are looking at your social media, or they are trying to reach out to you. There is somebody who is trying to find you. It feels like somebody who knows you or loves you. They could be somebody new also. Someone is trying to find you and reach to you because you are important to them. Queen of Cups, yes, you hold the cup for them, friends. You are this emotional person everybody wants to date. You are in high demand, friends, when it comes to love life. Also, everybody, even in your family might need you this week, because you are so caring, you are so lovely, you are so affectionate, and you can help everybody. You can give them the right suggestions, the right solutions. So, everybody needs a bit of you, and it might frustrate you like, why does everybody wants me? I'm not the agony aunt, but people who love you this week, friends, you can't help it, and neither can they feel attracted to you. They sense the mother energy in you. Even if you are a man, they feel very drawn towards you. More female friends also will be drawn to you. More people asking for help, strangers calling you asking for help, because this is something karmic, friends. You will get rewards for this good work you are doing. And I do feel there is a person from the past who now sees a potential in you. They see you are amazing, you are full of love, you are full of heart, you are affectionate, you are loving, you are caring. This person could be your twin flame, your divine masculine, feminine, your true soulmate. So they are looking for you, they are searching for you, and they want you. And let us see what else. Ten of Cups. Yes, marriage, commitment, all those things are important for you. You will only accept people who offer you love or commitment, or there is long term success in that relationship. I do feel somebody wants to propose marriage to you this week, friends. And they are keeping it a secret, but that's their intention. They want to propose marriage or moving in with you, or they wanna bring you home to their family. Meet my parents. So that is the energy. This person really, really likes you, friends. And you are also looking for a long term commitment, and you are absolutely going to get it either now or in the coming weeks. Nine of Pentacles. Oh my God, look at that, friends. So you're very independent also, so you will not accept any help coming your way. You are doing independently well. You are also enjoying your success, your hard work. Somewhere you're cribbing about extra duties, but I think you kind of enjoy extra work and extra challenges. So it makes you feel like you are a winner, you are a warrior, you really like challenges and coming on top of them. So you're amazing, pile number three. You are amazing. And yes, I do see money coming your way. If some of you have started a new business or a new job, you will be very successful at it. You will finally start minting money from it. And in love, you're very dominating, friends, because you have the air energy in you. A lot of air vibes are around you, like you could be an air sign. If not, all the planets in the air are making you feel very independent and very happy with yourself. So you will have to really, at least there is this thing, you will have to work, friends, on your love life a little this week, because You want to be independent as well as you want to be this queen or the king of cups. You want to be in love as well as you want to be independent. So there is that again. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to balance? So yes, that thing you need to balance, friends. Independence as well as being in a relationship, being with another person. That you need to balance and work out this week. But I do see you enjoying your time alone, feeling very successful, feeling a lot of money. I also feel some of you will buy something for yourself, like a gold chain, a ring, or some shoes, or something. You will maybe a chocolate or some tea for yourself, and you're gonna be like, "Wow, I just love it." You having a good time with yourself, and you're totally enjoying it. The sun, yes, friends, the sun is definitely shining for your love life. Yes, you are filled with optimism this week, and all good things are gonna happen for you this week. And yes, I do see that something will happen in your love life that will make you feel excited, happy, and in a mode of celebration. So good things are coming. I also feel this week your emotions and mind are very balanced, unlike pile number one, where there is a lot of imbalance happening. You are perfectly balanced and in harmony with yourself. So this is a great week for you, friends. It's also, yes, if you are a student, you are shining bright, friends. You are shining bright. You may be nervous about your exams or your preparation, but don't worry, be confident, don't give up. You're gonna come out with flying colors. You will win that exam, that trophy, that sports, competitions, whatever. You're gonna win, friends. Limelight is on you and success is with you. What else will happen for pile number three? Okay, I got three cards. Let's see. And it's so hot, my god, I can't believe it. I'm sweating. It's strange. It's August. It's not so, it shouldn't be so hot. It's always hot nowadays, I feel, isn't it, friends? It's like a constant temperature weather nowadays. Hot summer. Stork, a new birth. Ooh, so some birth is coming. Exciting opportunity is coming for you. Friends, number 17 is important. This opportunity could be at work, in your work life, career, or with money. It could also be some recognition or a love life message. A new birth in your love life is coming. And anchor number 35, yes, friends, you are solid. I do feel, your whatever you are doing right now, it is showing you how strong you are, friends. Whatever challenges are coming, you are actually enjoying those. You are an anchor, you are a support to many people in your life. And not just that, you can handle a lot of pressure. You are an ace warrior. You are amazing, friends. Just trust yourself. Choices number 22, yes, you will find new choices. So help is there, but you will try to do things alone. So you can delegate your work, friends, give to friends and ask for help. There will be choices available, help available. Tower number 19, yes, I do feel that you are working for your future, friends. You are building a legacy, and it is going to be very very prosperous for you in the future. I think you are building an empire, some of you are, for the future. Or maybe you will marry some. All this hard work will pay off, friends. It will come back, it will pay off for you in a very nice way. Let us see what else. Truth be told, yeah, someone loves you. Number 14, number 14. Both the cards are same from two different decks. Yoo-hoo! So yes, someone loves you, friends, and they are looking for you. Somebody from the past, or someone has a crush on you, a secret admirer, and they want to tell you how much they love you and how much they miss you. I do feel that your some past friend is also coming. A friendship is coming. This friend may have lost you, or they may have hurted you. They want to come back and say sorry to you, because they recognize that you are perfect and it was not your fault, it was their mistake. So a friend might also come back. No place like home. Yeah, you want to be at your home. You want to sit, enjoy, watch a movie with friends, have a popcorn night, pajama night, girls' night with, or boys' night, bachelorette party. You are definitely enjoying. You are a homebody now, this week. Angel of love number 49. So love is definitely around you, friends. So be easy on yourself. Although you can do everything alone, you are a super warrior, but try to be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I think a lot of people will ask love advice from you this week. So get ready. And the world, yes, friends, your future is bright. You have nothing to worry about your future. I do feel some of you are worried about your future. Like, what will happen in my future? Is it too late? Is it too dim? Is it too bright? What will happen? Your future is set. Your future is gold. Your future is diamond. Your future is platinum. Why? Because you are doing the work now. Let's see what you need to focus on this week. Success, yes, friends, you are successful. You are the success you are looking for, friends. And yes, success is coming for you in your love life, work life, finances, and life in general. So please do not worry. Success is coming. And enlightenment, so awakening is happening for you, friends. The double full moon is definitely going to bring some sort of an awakening in you, some spiritual enlightenment or breakthrough for you, and it is going to bring your life in balance, friends. And if some of you are struggling with gender issues, or your children are struggling with those things like gender issues, or sexual orientation, they will find their way. It's all right, it's perfectly all right. We are all different and we are all beautiful in our differences, and it's only natural to feel those way, feel that way. So something beautiful is happening, something. And we are all like Shiv Shakti, we are all masculine, feminine. I do see a balance coming in your life very, very soon, with the full moon and sun moving in Libra and the full moon moving in Aquarius. Some major shift is going to happen, and awakening is going to come for you, friends. And this is something that is worth a lifetime. This is something that's worth all your hard work. That is why you are working so hard. So let us see your advice. Oh my god, friendship. That's what I was telling you. A friend is coming back. See? Or a friend is searching for you, a soulmate. It could be a friend, somebody in need. Make a date for a play day with one or more friends. So friendship is very important for you, friends, this week. Amazing. I think we also share a very, very special friendship, isn't it, friends? Yes, yes. Let us see your charms now. Option number 3. What is coming for option number 3? Oh, lots of charms. I think you have the maximum number of charms. Okay, let's see. So, are you ready? Because it's gonna take more time now. Yep. Yeah, that's exactly what was the on your mind, isn't it? Where is the time? I know. But stick with the reading, please. Don't leave it in between. Oh my god. Let's see, friends. Okay, so now the charms are separated, and now we're gonna look at them. Let's see. So, lie. Ooh, somebody has been lying to you. Some friend, maybe they lied to you. They want to come back. It could be a friend. It could be a lover who lied to you and they want to come back. So, that energy is there. Laila could be the name. I don't know. Nile, somebody from, some different city or country is important to you. I keep getting Egypt, or Dubai, Canada, America, California, all these places I'm getting. So somebody from another city or country is important, or these places are important. Let us see, the initials are YLIE. Number 37 is important. Number 10 is important. 10 could also be October. And wow, this is this is actually the male and female, the yin and yang charm for me. This is the balance charm. And look at that, you also chose the balance card. So life is coming in balance for you, friends. If you feel life is out of balance right now, don't worry. Things will balance out for you. The blue card, listen to your intuition. You are very sharp. Your intelligence is very high, friends, this week. So I do feel you will excel at your exams, excel at your work. The red house, yes, some of you want to buy your own house or property or cars. Yes, it will happen. You are working for it. Yes, it will happen. You will achieve it. Don't give up. The press is about fixing things in your life. You will, I feel people asking help for you, help from you. Like, hey, I have a broken car. Can you fix it? Hey, I need some help about a broken heart. Can you fix it? And you are like, whew. Okay, as if I can say no. All right, you can do it with a smile like I do, right? Like I smile right now. So yeah, the green house is money coming your way. I see a lot of money and luck coming your way. Somebody from long distance is important. I also feel some of you want to travel, some of you want to relocate or buy your own home somewhere else. You want to escape, yes, because there is so much happening, so much pressure on you that you want to escape. I think you will find balance, you will find some relief, so don't worry. The leaf, letting go of worries, let go of worries. Some things you cannot control, so let them go. And do not defeat, do not give in, do not quit. This leaf is do no quitting. You know, even when the leaves separate from the branch of the tree, they can still fly in the air, they can still float in the water. So that's exactly how you can do, you know, you can still fly, you can still float. And look at that, the rose, yes, I do see love is coming your way. There is a lot of love. The crown, yes, some sort of a recognition is coming. Some of you are actually going to be crowned in the future for success, for celebrations. You might become a celebrity, you might marry a celebrity or somebody from royal family. The parrot, yes, I do see you are, you know, the limelight is coming on you, friends. You are going to get fame. It is destined for you. And success, angel, yes, angel wing, you are very protected. Angels are watching over you. And look at that, the guitar. So some of you could actually be working hard on music, on creativity, on art. And yes, it in your future you are going to do these things and you will be excellent at that. Also, another thing is that some of you could be marrying or somebody is a, you know, you could be a musician is important for you. Somebody, a music friend, a artist, a creative person is important. Some of you could actually get married to a celebrity, like, you know, a musician, a celebrated artist. Oh, so it's amazing, friends, it's beautiful. And hello, I'm yours. Yes, this person really likes you, friend. I also feel some musician may have a crush on you. It could be a musician, a singer, a poet, a DJ, you know, a dancer or somebody like that, somebody from the entertainment industry. They are crushing on you, so it's good. Now we have a lot of chance here. Let's see. Let me catch your breath. Whew. Mars, yeah, you're powerful, friends. You're a force. King of Cups, King of Coins. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Past life, yes, this is a past life connection. A soulmate you have met in a past life. Lion, you're very powerful. Do not quit. Art, yes, somebody artistic is important. Two of coins, two of coins. You're very busy. You will have to bear that. Eggs, oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. This is the third pile the X card has shown, and never ever it has shown so much. Brace yourself, friends. Your ex might be interested in you this week. I know you don't want to deal with them, but they are coming. And Eight of Wands, yes, this person will be taking action towards you. February is important, friends. And the Knight of Coins, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Don't lose your hope, friends. Keep your hope alive. I think some of you are like, oh no, ex. Time, yes, give it some time, friends. Give, you know, I think that's what your question is. Where is the time in my life? Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini could also be your ex. Kingfisher, you're very, very prosperous. You're very lucky. Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. So a lot of people are important. Earth signs, air signs, and fire signs are important for you this week. Blue, yes, use your intuition, use your mind, use your sharpness. Eagle, yes. You're very powerful, friends. You are above all. You are very protected. eagles are, like the guides, or the you're like eagles are like angels, they fly above. They are very powerful. They have a keen eyesight, and they are very sharp. So you are exactly like an eagle. And creativity, look at that, you're very creative, friends, this week. So keep doing that, keep enjoying this week. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.